I'll help you access the text template tool in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
You want to access the template tool on your video clip, make sure it's deselected by clicking on the timeline. Go to the bottom left-hand screen and click the third option, text. Here, you want to scroll to the right and see the option, text template. Here, you're given a text on the screen. If you double tap, you can pin whatever you would like. Click return or the keyboard icon. You have a couple different options to click trending text, different options to apply a trending text, even change the font of the text, change the style of the text, add an effect, etc., etc. Come checkmark icon right here. I say this is the before, this is the after, completely for free in Capcut Mobile.